What's up, my friends? Coach KIRKSHINTA here with another $25 one-up review. And in this video, I want to talk about how one of my blueprint students, a baby boomer, made his first $500 with $25 one-up within his first 48 hours. So one of the great things about this program called $25 one-up is it is a great way to build a business, a work-at-home business, and to be able to make commissions that position you for full-time income. So Jack actually came in at the diamond level, $250 one time. He is able to start a business for $250, and he never has to pay that again, and he can make commissions over and over again. And within his first 48 hours, he made back his investment in the program. And I'm so proud of him. He did not wait. He went out and he did the work, and he's able to start earning these commissions. And you know, sometimes for baby boomers, it's a little bit scary to start an online business, but it is so worth it. Okay. And he's out of California. One of the things that me and Jack talked about is that he wants to take the money leveraging this program and to start investing in real estate. So he's using this to actually fund his dream. And sometimes with baby boomers and retirees, income can be tight or limited. And you know, that's not the case with Jack because of being able to leverage this program. So anyways, Jack will be upgrading to the $500 level soon because he's on a roll, and I'm so proud of him. So let's talk about this work from home system. This work from home system is amazing. It allows you to make 100% direct commissions to you from this work from home systems. The commission levels are $125, $250, $500, and $1,000. Okay. You pay one time, and whatever package that you get digital marketing education about how to build a digital business online. All right. Of course, the higher you go, the higher commissions you're able to generate in your work from home business. But on top of that, you're able to earn at any of the commission levels underneath. So if someone came in through your link, which is your digital store, and they came in and they said, hey, I want to buy this $500 package, you're actually positioned to earn that. If you're at the $1,000 level and they said, I'm going to get that $1,000 package so that I can earn $1,000 commissions and get all this full affiliate marketing course, then on top of that, you're going to make $1,000 commissions. Now, one of my favorite things about the program is the passive leverage that's built into the program, meaning that for like Jack already has his 250, he got his first 250 commission, the second one pass up. Okay. So that's something that I'm proud about, is that there's leverage built into the program. So just by helping plug the person that came in with you into the blueprint, which my whole tribe gets a blueprint, then when they go out and make their first commission, the second one gets passed up to you. You're growing your income by literally just plugging people into a blueprint, which I provide to all of my Boss Empire people. Okay, so let me just show you Jack, and I want to show you a post that I did today. There's Jack on his bike, living the life, and it says baby boomer crushes it. You know, a lot of baby boomers are afraid to make money online. My blueprint student Jack joined, and he made $500 within 48 hours. And he has plans to use his mid-ticket commissions to jump into real estate. So that's pretty much it. And that's him on his bike. And so if you want to learn more, you want to see the full presentation, you want to learn more about this work from home system, you want to be able to generate mid-ticket, high-ticket commissions, as I've been able to do from home, and to build full-time income, it actually allowed me to be able to quit my job and say deuces to them. And just constantly bringing in $250, $500, and $1,000 commissions and $125s. So if you're ready to get started with this work from home system, you're ready to learn more, go ahead and check out the comment section beneath this video. There'll be information on how to connect to me. One of the reasons why my team does have success is that the people who partner with me, I give them a blueprint. And this is my 5K blueprint. I go over how to use this system, how to set everything up. I give them my daily blueprint, what I do on a daily basis. I give them my marketing strategy. There's no secrets, right? I give it all to them so that they can duplicate the success I've been able to have with this system online. I even show them how to use YouTube and get free leads, and how to use a closing script and be able to respond to people who reach out for information and be able to get them to make a decision about partnering with you in this program. All right, so that's it. There's a fast start training, and that's it. All right, so make sure you subscribe. All right, go ahead and check out beneath this video. Enter your best email so that I can get the information over to you. And I look forward to you learning more about this work from home system. And if you're already in $25 one up and you're looking for a blueprint, reach out to me and let's get you set up for success. I'll see you on the other side. Bye, friends.